Hello everyone, we are here at Vitrum 2021 in Milan that is almost to its end. 4 beautiful days, and we want to thank every customer that came to see us. I would like to do a special thanks to our marketing team, to our service team that helped us during these 4 days. See you in Milan in a couple of years. Thank you.
Hello, hi to everybody. We are here at the end of the Vitrum 2021 exhibition in Milan. It has been a very good exhibition thanks to the customer we met during these days, and we want to thank for the time that the customer spent in our booth. Thank you so much to everybody. Thank you.